Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of Tango Tips and Tricks. My name is Pablo Estigarribia and I will be your instructor in these videos. Today we're going to talk about tango rhythmic patterns. On the last video of Tango Tips and Tricks, we were talking about how a melody can be played either in an expressive manner versus a rhythmic manner. But this is what happens on the front layer of an arrangement. Below that, there is a background that's built upon rhythmic patterns. Tango has three basic rhythmic patterns, which are marcato, síncopa, y 3-3-2. The simplest rhythmic pattern in tango would be el marcato, because it's just 4 quarter notes in a measure. It sounds like as you can see, it's very simple. Let's hear an example of this in D'Arienzo, in his version of Loca. You will hear the violin solo and pay attention to the background. You will find piano, bass and bandoneones playing marcato. Now the syncopa has a different rhythmic pattern. Inside the measure in syncopa you will find 2 eighth notes in the first beat and then a quarter note in the third beat. And it sounds like this. To hear that more clearly, I will show you an example of Aníbal Troilo playing Julián Plaza's Danzarín live in El Teatro Colón. You will hear the string section playing the melody and then piano, bandoneon and bass will be playing syncopa as a background. The 3-3-2, it's an evolution on an older pattern that was called el candombe. This consisted in a peculiar accentuation of the 8 notes that fit into a 4-4 measure, sounding like this. You were right. The accentuation is 3 + 3 + 2, which is what 3-3-2 means in Spanish, right? So the thing is that el candombe evolved eventually into 2 dotted quarter notes and a quarter note at the end, which will sound like, which is not articulating all the 8 notes, just the accents. Of course, Piazzolla had a lot to do on the evolution of this rhythmic pattern because he used this in almost every composition of his. Now let's hear an example of his own Verano Porteño. Here's a fragment on a performance and pay special attention on the bass line. That being said, a great background for a tango arrangement is the one that has periodic alternations of these 3 rhythmic patterns in order to give variety to the music. To show you that, I prepared a little exercise on the first section of La Comparsita. I will alternate rhythmic patterns. I will start with marcato, then I'll do syncopa, and I'll end up with 3-3-2. On the bottom of the screen you will see the sheet music of what I'm playing. On the top you'll see a take of my hands playing it on the piano, and on the middle of the screen you will see a text box that will tell you which rhythmic pattern I'm actually playing. Okay, so that was a selection of rhythmic patterns I chose for the first section of La Comparsita. But now I overdubbed another piano playing the melody so you can hear what a complete arrangement of this section would sound like. Well guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and share so everyone gets a free tip on how to play tango. If you have any further questions, please contact me on social media and sign up for Skype lessons and consults. If you want to check out my bio and my discography, that's available on my website. And if you're interested in buying solo piano arrangements, I published a book last year that's called Tangos de Concierto, that features 16 arrangements for piano solo. All the links will be in the description, and I hope to see you guys on the next video of Tango Tips and Tricks.